Welcome back to another Elmore Family adventure. We've got a little short video here today, but it took a long time to make because today we did the ever so popular deviled egg flight. So we
pictures of that?
Yeah, I got some pictures, but basically these are just fun recipes for deviled eggs. So we have BLT, the jalapeno popper, we call it the Southern, but it's basically shrimp and remoulade sauce. Chicken on the egg, inspired by Jacques Lindsay's Hanger Bar at Disney Springs, and Southern Lady deviled eggs, inspired by Homecoming at Disney Springs. So this took a long time to make. Let me just go over the ingredients real quick, and I'll show you some clips from when we were making stuff. So for the BLT, we have lettuce, tomatoes, with a regular base of mayo, mustard, salt, and pepper. And then on top we have some bacon, and I think we put bacon in the base too. So that'll be that one. And then for our jalapeno popper is base, but with cheddar, what is it? Shredded cheddar cheese. Shredded cheddar cheese, fresh diced jalapeno, bacon, and lots of whipped cream cheese. Then we have the Southern, which is chunks of boiled shrimp that Mom boiled in a crawfish boil seasoning.
Crawfish boil.
And mixed with the base and remoulade. And then to top is a full boiled shrimp with some more remoulade. Then we have our chicken on the egg inspired, which is just base with a little extra mayo. These fried chicken strips, which Mom cooked as well. And then topped with hot honey. And then our Southern Lady is just the regular base with paprika, piled high with another slice of bacon. So
a lot of bacon.
A lot of bacon.
Except for Aubrey's doesn't have bacon.
Right. Aubrey's is missing bacon. Oh, and Aubrey has turkey bacon on her BLT. So, we ready to get to trying?
I'm ready. I'm hungry.
Let's start with the first one.
Here's everyone to the BLT. Ding, ding, ding.
Dad and I ate the whole thing, and you and Mom took little bites.
That was really good.
I'm excited for the next one.
Jalapeno popper.
Yeah, I like jalapeno.
And besides the inspiration, these are all like, we just put this together. We didn't follow any recipe or any. We were just like, what ideas can we have for these deviled egg flights? So here we go.
Aubrey's trying a jalapeno.
Jalapeno popper.
They're not real spicy.
Not spicy.
Oh.
And there's not a whole lot of bacon. There's a little bit, but not a whole lot like some of the other ones. All right. Jalapeno popper. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ding, ding, ding.
They're not spicy at all.
They're good, but
That
there's a
cream
lot of bacon in
cheese.
the one I had.
Oh no.
That cream cheese with that egg yolk is delicious.
That's pretty good. I like the first one the best though so far.
Really, the BLT?
Yeah.
I like that feeling better.
I like it. I want some spice when you say jalapeno.
Spicy.
When you say jalapeno, I want spice.
Well,
Here's the Southern.
Aubrey and I
Can't handle
don't like the
spice.
spice.
I know y'all can't handle it.
It's probably my favorite egg.
This one right here.
We make these eggs all the time.
Yeah, Aubrey likes
Yeah,
to
but
do
generally I
raw.
don't have shrimp on top.
No, but you've made it with shrimp before. It was really good.
All right, the Southern. Cheers.
It's good.
That's good.
It's so good.
All right, that's my favorite.
Yeah, that one's good.
Woo! Remoulade.
Here's
Let's
Jacques
see,
Lindsay's.
This one compares to Jacques Lindsay's.
I think
It'll be
Jacques
hard.
Lindsay's has a little more of like a vinegar sauce on top, but we just went with the hot. We just went with the hot
mustard.
honey. Our version of chicken on the egg. All right, it's not focusing on the chicken for whatever reason.
That is good.
That's pretty good. Very good.
I think we did awesome.
You did a good job with the chicken.
Duffel.
What'd y'all call these?
Church lady.
Church lady.
Church lady. Well,
Those,
I think she called them Southern ladies.
let me see. I don't think I've ever seen an egg that tall before.
Sorry.
Well,
Oh, well, at our home cooking, they were that tall.
I don't
we
know
ate
if they
at
were
home
that tall. They were tall, but I don't think they were that tall.
you're so
Pretty
top
tall.
heavy.
They're very top. All right.
That's a lot of filling.
Church lady deviled eggs.
Watch it sliding off.
Cheers. The filling's the best part anyway.
That is definitely not a one biter.
I did it in one bite.
I couldn't do mine in one bite. I tried.
I'll be mouth.
I just opened this way and I just shoved
Yeah,
it
your
in.
mouth-
Oh,
Your
should
mouth
just
bigger.
sideways? Shoved it
No,
sideways.
I just took the top a little bit down and just put it around. It's very good though.
Well, that was about 5 hours of work
And that's dinner.
taken down
Ta-da!
in about 2 minutes.
Yeah. Longer to prep it than to eat it.
Oh, no. Since you can come up with your own, your own flavors and own take.
Your own preferences.
What was y'all's favorite?
Creativity.
My favorite,
Yep. What's your favorite?
I like the hot honey chicken on the egg.
Mama?
I like the jalapeno and the honey on the chicken on the egg.
Aubrey?
Mine's between the remoulade and the chicken on the egg.
See, I like the remoulade and the BLT.
Okay.
All different.
Yeah, it's all different, but it's all good. There ain't
But I
nobody gonna
think-
turn none of that down.
Right?
I think the chicken on the egg is one out. It got 3 votes out of.
Good, because we got plenty of chicken and plenty of
We gotta make
filling
some,
left.
we gotta make some more.
Well, that was our short little video for today, and thanks for joining us. And if you wanted to make an egg flight, tell us what your flavors would be, because we need more ideas.
I've got some more ideas.
Oh my gosh. Leave your ideas below in the comments, and follow us on TikTok. Oh, jeez.
Instagram!
The hot honey. TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more of our adventures. And until next time, we'll see y'all later.
Bye!